Hey guys, today I'm with my new tutorial of Catia V5 software. It is same procedure of SOLIDWORKS as well, and the company is same Dassault Systems. So this is the basic interface of Catia V5. I have downloaded the version 5 of Catia. So with opening you will see this interface, and starting from the bottom left side you will get a standard toolbar here. Okay, standard toolbar. So this will be the new button. From here you can open new, and this from here you can open some pre-made part or something other part from other software also. From here you can save your work. From here you can quick point your work, and same as is been going above. You can copy, paste, you can undo or redo your work, and same as going on. You can paste URLs or design tables, etc. So this is the basically toolbar of view toolbar also. It is called fly mode. You can, when you click your part will be in your hand. You can move anywhere from it. This is zoom to fit in all area. This is zoom to pan. You can move your part. This is zoom and unzoom. This is rotate, and this is normal view. This is basically multiple view you want to create, and this is basically isometric views. You have types of views: front, back, top, bottom, and right side view. So this is it, and now we will be going to modes of this Catia. So clicking on start button, you will get some options like infrastructure, mechanical design, shape and analysis, and AEC, machining, etc. all of this. Okay, so this all is something same like other softwares, nothing different. Number one is infrastructure. You will get some renderings and options to make your part well, and photo studio. Like in SolidWorks, you can also get material library and product structure as before made. Okay, so mechanical design, you will basically use mechanical design. You use SolidWorks in SolidWorks, and for PTC Creo you will use Creo parametric, and for Siemens NX you will use Siemens NX CAD. Okay, so you will use all this. This is part design, then assembly design, and then sketches. So I will go through all of these with stepwise. Okay, first of all we will be using part design to analyze what is in the part design. Okay, next one is shape. You can make your shapes, your own shapes you can make. Sketch tracer, you can trace a sketch and make a part from your imagine and shape. You can imagine your part and with the picture, etc., to make your part work. Okay, the most used in this Catia is number one is mechanical design. Next one is analysis and simulations, and the last one is basically machining. These are mostly used in Catia. Okay, so first of all we will be going to mechanical design and part design. Okay, so clicking on part design, there will be added some things added like SolidWorks. So these are the three planes: Cartesian plane, top, right and front, and with your right side it's a bit different from SolidWorks. So it's somehow difficult to know what is it. In SolidWorks you can see the names also, but in Catia you can have some difficulty to know what's it. Okay, so starting with the top right center, you will get the part design option that you have selected the part design. You can change from it from here. Okay, so next is select. You can select your sketch. Next one is sketch option. By clicking any of this you can get in the sketch. Others are basically simple option. This one is extrude, or in other words you can say extrude pad in this SolidWorks. Okay, so next one is basically pocket. Pocket is not working because we don't have any body to make a pocket. Okay, next one is basically mirror, shaft. You can make a shaft, etc. from here. Okay, others are same command, same features command like that. So we will be working on basically sketch, starting with the sketch. So the way you want to go into the sketch of Catia, you can click on any of this plane and then click sketch option. Okay, this option sketch, it will take you into the sketch of that plane. Okay, so now we have some options of sketch entities. Okay, so starting from right side, we will get this option. These are basically constraint options. This is dimension options. This is dimension option, and these are constraints. And no, the main option you want to work with are the sketch entities. So this one is profile. This will let you to make a continuous sketch. Okay, so selecting the profile, you will get a continuous straight line sketch like this. Okay, like this. Okay, you can select 2 points to make them coincident. Okay, so this is basically a basic interpretation. Okay, so next one is basically rectangle. Rectangle has same options like everything, same like SOLIDWORKS, and these are all basically the sketch entities like rectangle, parallelogram. This one is a parallelogram. This one is oriented rectangle, 3-point rectangle in SOLIDWORKS. This one is basically elongated hole. You will get a hole in rectangle. This one is slot or elongated. Basically, it's saying a slot, elongated hole like this. Okay, next one is basically polygon and hexagon. You can say polygon, same like SOLIDWORKS, centered rectangle and centered parallelogram, same as. Next one is basically circle. You will get options in circle, as it has merged many sketch entities into one option. Okay, so like this, we will get a circle, center point circle. You will click like this, you can make like this. Next one is basically 3-point circle. You can click 1 point and then the second point and then the third point. And next one is same like they merged the arc option into the circle option. Okay, like this. So there is no need of any difficulty in this finding the command. Okay, next one is basically ellipse, parallelogram, and ellipse, parabola, and hyperbola, etc. Same like that. Next one is construction line. Okay, axis or construction line like this. You can make a construction line, and this is line. Basically, line has also some options. Number 1 is basic line. Number 2 is infinite line. You will get infinite line like profile option. Next one is bi-tangent line. You will get a line from one point that is tangent to something like this. You will like this. Okay, from one point to the other, tangent on both sides. Okay, so next one is basically bisecting line, which will be bisect something from some line. Okay, line normal to the curve. By clicking this, you can make a line normal to the curve like this. Okay, it's normal to that line. Okay, so next one is basically point. You will have some options in point, point by using coordinates. You can change your position of the point by using your coordinate system. Next one is basically equidistant point. You can make multiple points from one point with the same distance. And next one is basically intersection point, which is intersecting something. So this is basically the interface of sketch in Catia. Okay, so when we are going to the dimensions now, this is basic option for dimension like this. Okay, so I will be clicking this for dimension. I have to select this and then